My name is the Hood Farmer Rob. I'm out of the Bridgeport, Connecticut area, and I began farming in about 2015. Funny enough, before this year, I was kind of saying to myself that I want to be like the mushroom guy in Connecticut. And like, it's slowly but surely happening. I'm here for it. Bridgeport's definitely a home community, and it's very tough. Once you like reveal yourself, then it's very accepting. I began this volunteer service trip. It was about a year long, where we would do different service projects for about a month or two, depending on where we were at. One of our stops, we landed in Tallahassee, Florida. I learned a lot about food apartheid. It means that it's more deliberate and intricately placed that way. So the fact that, there's not as many supermarkets in one neighborhood versus another neighborhood, that's deliberate and based on the people that live in the area. That's where I got a lot of like my base knowledge in farming and urban agriculture. And it really reflected Bridgeport for me. So I got really inspired. Mushrooms at the store, there's just like it's not really diverse. I got to think, it's like, well, I grow this stuff, so like, how do you grow mushrooms? YouTube's the great teacher. So, I was just YouTubing a lot. I found that it was really easy to put together a mushroom bed. So I'm like, well, I can do that. The more I did that, the more I found like the different benefits of mushrooms. So the protein values, the fact that some mushrooms are good for your mental health, and even just like memory and brain fogginess and things like that. It just grew more and more. So the curiosity started it, and then information kind of just like fortified it. I don't eat meat and I don't drink regular milk. So the promised land for me would be the land of hemp, milk, and honey. So when I get to a place where I have my home farm, that's gonna be the land of hemp, milk, and honey. And that's like my promise to myself. There's a farmer's circle in Connecticut, and it's specifically for Black, Indigenous people of color. And that group gets a lot done. just like going to those meetings, and we're able to see like what everyone has going on, what kind of projects, and then from that everyone's able to mobilize and get work done, teaching people in the community how to be self-sustainable. That's what drives me, because that's fine if there's not as many supermarkets, but that just means we need to be growing for ourselves.